Marie Curie, born Maria Salomea Sklodowska on November 7, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland, was a pioneering physicist and chemist whose research on radioactivity changed the face of science forever. She overcame immense personal and professional obstacles, including widespread sexism, to become one of the most eminent scientists in history. In 1891, Curie moved to Paris to study at the Sorbonne, where she earned degrees in physics and mathematics. During this time, she met Pierre Curie, a fellow physicist, whom she married in 1895. The partnership between Marie and Pierre was remarkable, yielding groundbreaking research. In 1903, the couple, along with Henri Becquerel, won the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity, making Marie the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize. After Pierre's tragic death in 1906, Marie continued their work, becoming the first woman to teach at the Sorbonne. Her determination led to the discovery of two new elements, polonium and radium, advancing the understanding of atomic science. This monumental work earned her a second Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911, making her the first person ever to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. Curie's contributions extended beyond theoretical science. During World War I, she developed mobile radiography units, known as Little Curies, which were used to diagnose battlefield injuries. Her relentless drive and passion for science greatly influenced medical practices and research methodologies. Curie was a mentor to several women scientists and advocated for education and scientific research throughout her life. Despite facing health issues due to prolonged exposure to radiation, she continued her research until her death on July 4, 1934. Her legacy continues to inspire scientists around the world, and her discoveries remain foundational to modern physics and chemistry. Marie Curie broke barriers, challenged societal norms, and left an indelible mark on the world, making her one of the most significant figures in scientific history.